Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
What can you say about movie industry generally in Nigeria?
Well, movie industry in Nigeria ta wa ensin kasha be Ọlọ́run ba ka de ka kun fàdúrà kí àwọn afẹ́ajẹ má fẹ́ ayọ̀ kí wọ́n má dá nǹkan rú mọ́ lọ́wọ́. Already they've been doing that because I always feel for the marketers and the producers gbogbo àti àwa ní di kíní wọ̀nyí pé wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ọwọ́ olódi wa kó tẹnu tí ó dẹ̀ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Some years back it's not like that. Gbogbo nǹkan lọ déédéé but nígbà tí èèyàn bá wà tó bá release iṣẹ́ ní àárọ̀ tó bá wà tó kọ́ bí something 12, 1 then ẹ̀dá ẹ̀ ti bọ́ síta ẹni tí ẹni tó tiẹ̀ tí rí ojú owó gangan ká má ti wá sọ pé àbò fẹ́ rèrè gbogbo yẹn ò ṣe nǹkan tó dáa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ó mọ̀ yẹn náà láti lẹ̀ wá pé we are one.
You understand what I'm saying now? They are not calling me Australia for my language. Alright, yes. My name is Yinka. I'm a member of the Western Lotto Media Department. We are here to celebrate one of us, the most pretty. In fact, at times we call her the first lady of the Western Lotto brand ambassadors, Mrs. Kemi Afolabi Birthday. Let's put our hands together for her, please. Yes, it's not easy to have an all-female movie. I can imagine. I can imagine. And I want to urge everybody, let's try as much as possible to take our time to see the movie. I try to see them well. Okay, a brief history. Well, Western Lotto is Africa's premiere, Africa's finest, Africa's largest, Africa's most entertaining platform where you just put in a little and of course people win as much as God knows when. People are winning. Earlier in the day we had a virtual lottery outside and I think someone...
Where you are? Okay, from Western Lotto.
I'm so shy. Good evening.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Quadri TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's